Hi, my name is Bryce Barnes. I'm the General Manager of Custom Well Boats in Riverview Marina. We're located in Lewiston, Idaho. This is the jet boat capital of the world. We've been building boats since 1987. We're burning wire on all different types of aluminum and a lot of steel too. So we really weld on just about everything. The AIM welder is awesome for us because it's a multi-torch welder and we can just do all kinds of different things with it. Sometimes the job, it takes me longer to move all the boats where I can get to a welder than it does to actually do the job. The job might only take me 5 minutes. So being able to push that welder out in the parking lot and weld on people's boats or their trailer frames or anything like that, it saved us a ton of time, helps us be more efficient, saves us money, and it saves the consumer money. If I can be faster at it, then in the end it will save money to the consumer, and that's where we're at.